Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
Oh, where we bring you detailing information
and other automotive goodness.
So please consider liking, subscribing, ringing the notification bell, sharing with your friends. Check out the merch in the link below because we got some cool merch. And if you don't, that's what happens.
Yeah, whew. By the way, I'm Tony. Bruce.
Yeah, Bruce. Nice to meet you, man. I'm new here.
Scared me.
I'm sorry, I'm new here.
Dang. Do not get this guy angry.
All right. So, anyways, we got a package here.
Hey, a package.
Yeah. It says it's a haunted Adams. A haunted Adams house?
Haunted Adams?
Yeah.
Adams polishes?
Ooh, there's monsters on the side.
Ooh, check that out, guys. Whoa.
Okay. Enough screwing around. It's Adams polishes. Halloween edition.
Ooh, yeah, look at this artwork.
Detail sprays, yeah. They do the coolest monsters, right?
Yeah, like the packaging. Ooh, let's see what's in here.
Let's check it out. Let's open it up. Now, to be fair, they're all detail sprays. I'll give that away.
What?
But
whoa, what the?
They're cool colored and cool labeled. Ooh, this lab coat's tight. I can't reach all the way.
Check it out, guys.
Hulk's getting mad. All right. So hey, let's take them out. So what do we have here, Ryan?
What do we have?
We've got traditional Adams detail spray in the Halloween edition.
Oh yeah.
We're doing this,
Love the Halloween. Love the Halloween.
I think I'm gonna start calling you a Tony, by the way. I've got the clown with the balloon. So it.
Ooh, very cool. And it's purple.
It's purple, and let's smell them. We'll go one at a time.
Well, let's introduce each
You
bottle.
introduce.
Oh, check out this. This one here has like a green zombie and a Band-Aid. Very cool. Very cool. This one here is got the haunted house. Very spooky.
And I've got bones.
Oh, look at
The
that.
Adams logo is a bone.
Skeleton with some cool round glasses.
Grave sites. Oh, there's a Band-Aid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got stitches.
Oh, yeah. I think they all have a Band-Aid on.
Oh, you're right. They do.
Very cool, Adams.
All right, I'm going to smell the clown
We
here.
appreciate good packaging, right?
I don't know what
labels.
I can't determine. Candy.
Okay, purple one here.
I'm going
see.
candy smell. Sweet tart?
I have no idea, but very
sweet.
Got some on my nose.
You detailed that nose. Good job.
It smells like candy. I have no idea what that is.
And you know what? To be fair, these aren't listed on the Adams Polishes side of what they smell like. So
okay, so if you work for Adams Polishes
and they
let us
actually
know
have
in the
a
comments.
smell, yeah, let us know.
Let everybody know what these were, because that smells really good.
Oh, hey, we were gonna tell you guys real quick before we get any further that this video is sponsored by Pure Octane Garage.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Right.
Those guys.
Those guys
are cool, right, Tony?
Yeah. That's right, Bruce.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna open the Adams Polishes again, detail spray, like we said, bone edition, skeleton. Let's see here.
You know where I use this detail spray?
Everywhere.
On my armor.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's why your armor looks so good.
That's why this hot rod red looks so dang good. Check out the shine on that, guys.
Does it clean off well after your battles with detail?
It does. And if you do a good coating on your armor, the battle scars polish right off.
It's still sweet. I don't know. I'm thinking they're all the same smell.
This one has a little bit of, it's still sweet, but a little bit of a cinnamon almost, like a like that chewing gum, Big Red.
Yeah, like the megaphone kind of smells like that.
No, I could be way off base here, but that's what I smell.
I get you. That's why I had you do it, because I wasn't sure.
It's sweet yet.
I get that. A little
spice.
Kind of
has that hot cinnamon.
Yeah.
Hot cinnamon? Is that a thing?
And we haven't said real quick, guys, these detail sprays, if you're not sure about them or don't know about them, we have videos that we've reviewed Adam's detail sprays. So there's lots of good stuff we have.
Yeah,
if you want
check
to see
out
them in use. We're not going to use them
exactly.
today.
Yeah, I mean detail sprays. Check out the links below.
All right, I'm gonna guess pumpkin, but
Oh, that'd be cool, like a pumpkin spice.
no.
I
don't know.
Well, it's fun to try to guess,
Yeah.
and then
I
don't know.
get anything.
I get like soap off of this one.
Yeah, just
seriously, guys, very clean, very clean.
You know what I'm excited about, Ryan? Have we not tried? Didn't we try to get these last year and we missed out?
Yeah, actually, the last 2 years
We missed out on
we
the
missed out
monsters.
on the Halloween edition.
And there's just something about, you know, we're geeks for these labels and their design, you know.
Yeah,
And this one, I like the yellow.
I really want to know what these are, what the scents are.
Yeah, it's driving us crazy.
Please let us know in the comments. I'm going to be checking once this video goes live. I'm looking right now.
Same. Same as orange.
I don't know.
The color's cool though. Look at that color.
I don't know. This one's got a little bit of a spiciness to me.
You got some
but
spicy
sweet.
again? Spicy, but
This one and this one smell the same to me.
got that.
But maybe
okay.
they're blending together.
Yeah, we've messed with our nose because there's 4 different flavors, I guess, here, huh?
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, that's what we wanted to show you, right?
Yeah. We just, you know, we're into these special edition products. It's fun.
And these ones are
I appreciate the fun.
really fun. Halloween. We like Halloween.
Yeah.
so-
Here, give you another quick look so you can see this.
Yeah, run those by.
Here, we'll grab
Uno,
one. And, yeah, the haunted house
dos.
here.
And we got. Wait.
Can you-
That's other way. Sorry, camera.
Oh well, don't
Sorry,
get angry
audience.
about it.
I'm
Gosh.
okay. I'm okay.
Hey, calm
I'm
down.
not getting mad. I'm not getting mad.
I don't know. You're getting a little green there, buddy.
Oh wait, that's this one.
Right.
That one's mine.
So yeah, real quick video. Us being goofier than normal.
If you drink it, look what it does to your face.
I know, right? It makes you green.
It's hot in here, Ryan.
It is. And you're right, Bruce.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Sorry, Tony.
Yeah. Well, I gotta fly. I'm
right.
out of here.
Let's get out of here. We
We'll see
appreciate
you
you
guys
guys.
later.
Thanks for watching. This was a fun one, quick
Peace.
one, and Peace Iron Man's on his way out. And I'm calming down.
Calm
As you see,
down.
the green is running down my face. I'm calming down. All right, guys, we appreciate you. Until the next video. And you have a happy Halloween. I'm gonna get really mad.
I am Iron Man. Hey, grit guards, guys. Yes. Sorry, you don't have one. That's bad.
Happy Halloween.